2011 Tyent water system. I've had this puppy for 5 years now, and now I'm about every 4 months you got to change the filters in it, depending on how much water you drink. Well, I just put the cleaning unit in here. It's time. It will tell you when it's filter replacement time. It'll actually, let's see, I got it connected to my system here. It's gonna tell you when it's time to change the filters. And it's gonna clean it. It's gonna self-clean the system.
It's under motion. It's under motion. It's under motion. Please exchange filters.
And when it's time to change the filters, it'll automatically, it will tell you. And we'll just go right on through its steps. I'll touch. Got your alkaline, got your purified H2O. That's for baby formula, or just regular drinking. It's got your acidic waters for cleaning, and turbo water for even heavier cleaning. So if you're looking now, during the coronavirus, you want to keep things clean. This is the way to go. Now this is the countertop model. You can get one that's built into your counter. I've had the cleaning filter in here because it's that time. There we go. I'm going to go ahead. I'm changing out the filters today. And it's that simple. Like I said, I put it in December 20th. This is your first filter. It's a two filter setup. Okay. Let's see. Let's get the new ones. Get the new ones out. Real simple to do. Like I said, it tells you, like you heard, when it's ready to go. I've had this for 5 years. These are lifetime warranted machines. You can pay on a monthly basis. They've got them down right now. They got them as low as $25 a month. So this color can eat your heart out. Go. And they come in pairs. There's your second filter, which is the last one to come out, and that's what the box looks like. You don't have to really deal with the O-rings. O-rings won't really fail. Triple O-rings. First filter's got a cap. You're gonna start it lined up just like so. You're just gonna push it up and then twist. She's gonna lock you into place. It's a carbon. That's a carbon filter. You get a 75-day trial period with these, so you really can't lose. Just turn it on. Push up a little bit. Get a twist. And there you go. We're locked in there. She's got your water on. You want to run it with hot water. You don't run it with cold water. Slide her back a little bit. Now we're gonna go with. It's got a counter down here. We're gonna reset. Punch your bottom down there, reset 1,
First filter.
reset, and punch 2.
Filter.
Tyent filters let you enjoy worry-free water by reducing over 200 contaminants, including the following: microorganisms, E. coli and Salmonella, heavy metals, PB, HD, AS, CD, chemicals, phenol and benzene, agricultural chemicals, dioxanane and paraffinition, and BPSs, residential chlorine, THMs, chloroform, BDCMs, DBCMs, and taste and odor, turbidity. I'm not sure what that is. Your first filter removes harmful chemicals like chlorine compounds, like your agrochemicals and detergents, large suspended matter like rust and sediment and other volatile organic compounds efficiently via active absorption methods. Your second filter is down to a 0.01 micrometer fiber mesh material. Filters out contaminant materials including ordinary bacteria while maintaining essential minerals in the water. The life of your filter may vary greatly due to use, water pressure, water quality. Right now I've got like 75 my house has a 75 psi pressure to it. So by adjusting your knob, I usually have it about 50%. It's off, wide open, and I take it about 50%. I leave it about there. They add a knob right on here so you can override it or just leave it. Changes. Filter may need to be replaced sooner than scheduled due to these varied conditions. As you may notice, reduced water quality or water taste. After replacing it like I just did, now we will put it on H2O, which is this one here, and then we're going to run it. I use it to brush my teeth with, and I also use it to make my sports drinks with. It works fantastic. So, and you can go through my channel. I'll have these linked. Have this one linked to other videos that I did on the system. How to use it, the different accessory setup on it, and
Water supply is suspended.
you can click on the link below and take a look at these, all the systems that they have. They have the new hydrocarbon systems. So I've got to change. I've got to get that reset. Okay, real quick as to how to get these reset. Okay, we zeroed it. I just did second filter is zeroed out. You're going to do the first one.
First filter.
Okay, and then hit it.
Initializing was performed.
And then hit it again, and then it'll zero out your screen, and that's how you reset that. I'll run you through the systems real quick. Take you back out. All right, this is H2O.
Purifying.
As you can hear, it says,
Clean water comes out.
okay, this purified water. It hasn't had any electration going through it or whatever. It's just plain.
Water supply is suspended.
Okay, now we'll go to alkaline.
Alkaline level 1.
You can go to level 10 with alkaline.
Drinking water comes out.
So depending on what you want, you'll work your way up over a month to get to that alkaline level. But you know, if you just want to drink alkaline water, just, you know,
Water supply
totally up to you. All the way to level 4. But that's your percentages is in each one. Next one is your acidic, and basically this is used for cleaning. And we'll use 1.
Acidic level 1. Face washing water comes out.
And again, like I said, face water.
Is suspended.
And you go to 2.
Acidic level 2.
And they usually use it for
Cleaning water comes out.
for food preparation. I'm running that. I can hear the air. Run the air out through it. Because now the electricity is going through the plates.
Water supply is suspended.
And then you have your
Acidic
level 3 for washing dishes and purifying.
Rinsing water comes out.
So you'll rinse stuff with that.
Water supply is suspended.
So that's your acidic. And then turbo.
Turbo mode.
You don't want to drink this. This is if you want to
Turbo mode comes out.
put clean carpets with it, clean your floor with it. Anything that you want to really get serious about cleaning with. So you definitely don't want to drink it.
Water supply is
There we go.
suspended.
So there you go. That's going through the scenario of the system. And again, down here's your counter. Go back up here to your settings, and
System setup mode.
then depending on when you do your water checks with your to check your pH levels, then you go through each one of these to get your color codes.
Setup was completed.
And then back in there again.
It's under washing.
Now you can automatically,
It's under washing.
you can actually get the system,
It's under washing.
override the washing system.
It's under washing. It's under washing. Water supply is
And then automatically
suspended.
sets down. And back in, you can do,
Voice function terminates.
okay. So now you can turn her off if you want.
Voice function work.
There you go. And back in functions. Eco. Come back in. So there you go. Jeez, those dogs. But anyway, I'm gonna back out of your settings. And set it back to your normal. So, okay, thanks for watching. I gotta get crazy here. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and you'll catch me on the next Crosby vlog.